Hi guys.
Hello everyone. For the new viewers, we are David and Joan Robinson.
And today we're visiting Wycoller village, which is a beautiful historic village in Lancashire in the UK. We've not been here before, but it's supposed to be a fairy tale little village with lots of old bridges and historic ruins.
Well, I already see it's stunning place in here.
Yeah.
So let's see more.
Yeah, okay. If you just want to see the oldest bridge, you can skip to the end of the video, but then you would miss the gorgeous village that is Wycoller.
What are you looking at? It's looking at me.
Certainly is.
I'm not invading your place, don't worry.
Don't worry. You're not on the menu.
Well, not today, sunshine.
So we're just walking into the village and there's no cars allowed unless you're a resident apparently. So we've parked up at the car park. It's about a 5-minute walk or so away. I don't know what this little old stone trough is for.
It's a bath. This
I get in.
is where they do their bathing before. In olden times.
Yeah. But the building's very, very quaint and pretty. It's a lovely little walk, Jar.
It is.
Look at the old mossy walls here. Taking a shortcut.
It's not a shortcut because you need to go that way. I just want to have a look at the river.
Yeah. You feeling adventurous?
It's a bit loose, that one, so be careful. I'll just test it with my little finger how cold it is, the water. It's freezing.
Is it? You're gonna get wet.
No, I'm expert with this. We've got river.
Really?
Yep.
So I think we're just coming up to bridge number 2.
How many bridges it is?
There's 7, I believe.
7? And that is only number 2. It's gonna be a long walk. Look, a little shop.
Yeah, I think we might have a look there later. Although we have brought a little picnic, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, some nice cars here. And this is one of the historic bridges. Now I believe this is the scene in the Railway Children movie. This bridge is called the Packhorse Bridge, or it's sometimes known as Sally's Bridge. It was in the famous movie The Railway Children, I think I might have mentioned already. And there's a ford here where cars can drive across. It's very shallow. As you go across this bridge, you can see the weight of the stones. It's been worn away through hundreds of years of people crossing, and it's just amazing to think how many people must have crossed the bridge to wear the stone away like that. And it's a very beautiful place. And in the background there you can see Wycoller Hall, which I'll tell you a little bit more about in a minute. First, let's cross over this historic old bridge. And you can see in front of us there, there's another bridge. And that's also an old one, and I shall just have a look up of the name of that one in a minute. There's Joanne there, sat on the bench having fun. What are you doing?
Nothing.
It's said that Packhorse Bridge, or it's also known as Sally's Bridge, could be up to 800 years old, but it may have been rebuilt whenever it has been damaged by flooding, or when it might have collapsed previously. And this bridge is called Clapper Bridge, or Druid's Bridge, and it's probably medieval, although some historians think it might date back before the Norman conquest. So this is Wycoller Hall. It was originally built around 1550 and was expanded and updated over the next 250 years, and at one point this house was 3 stories high. So let's take a closer look. As you can see, the roof has come off a long time ago, and a lot of the stones have been taken away and plundered. There's a little robin there watching us. Can you see it?
Oh yeah, stop being so nosy.
So, it says that this was the inspiration. Wycoller Hall stands in ruins, but it was the inspiration behind the 16th century hall, Ferndean Manor, that was in Charlotte Brontes' novel Jane Eyre. And that the Brontes lived at Haworth, not far from Wycoller, and Charlotte would have passed through here on the way to Gawthorpe Hall when she went to stay with the Kay Shuttleworths. And Charlotte's description of Ferndean Manor, which was the manor in the book, approached from the old coach road, is identical to old Wycoller Hall. So that's interesting if you're a fan of the Brontes.
Yeah, we've been to the Bronte village.
Yeah, we've been to Haworth before, haven't we?
Yeah,
So
we found that one. It's a very nice little village, isn't it?
this must have been spectacular when it was originally in its full glory.
Yeah.
Okay, let's explore the rest. There's supposed to be a big fireplace here somewhere.
Very stunning.
It's said that the last inhabitant was a man named Henry Owen Cunliffe, who rebuilt large parts of the hall in an attempt to secure himself a wealthy wife. Henry's renovations were in the style of a much earlier era, with features like mullioned windows and the giant stone fireplace that you can see in front of us. Henry borrowed heavily against the hall, and he was a keen gambler, and when he died in 1818 he left himself in a lot of debt, and the creditors who inherited the estate had to split the hall down and sold bits of the windows and roof and timbers, and a lot of the stone was plundered from the hall, so that's how it ended up in ruins. But I can imagine that when this was in its full glory it was spectacular. So we've just had a little picnic, which was nice.
Yeah, enjoy that one.
But nobody wants to watch us eating. So we'll go and finish exploring. I believe there's another really old bridge that I want to find. It's possibly the oldest bridge, and it might even be the oldest bridge in Britain. So let's go and have a look. Looks like there's some sort of a little duck pond here.
There's no ducks.
No, but well, there's one little duck or something over there. It's very pretty.
You left me! I'm out of breath. Look at this. It's a massive one.
Yeah, that would have been a big old tree, I think. Now this is called Clam Bridge, and it's made up of one piece of stone, and then it joins onto a couple of other stones at the other side. You're okay to stand on it, Joe, just be very careful.
Are you sure?
Don't fall off. Supposedly somebody has died on there falling off before. So you're being very brave.
I'm not going back there again. It's a bit scary.
Is it?
Oh no, I can't go. I need to go back.
What's your plan to coming home then?
I thought there's a crossing in there, but
You
it's
can
not.
cross if you like, you'll get wet feet.
No, I'll go back.
Now supposedly this bridge may date back as old as the Stone Age or the Iron Age. It's disputed among historians, but whatever the age of the bridge, it is very quaint and very pretty. Now I think this bridge has been flooded before and then had to be repaired and put back in place, and you can see there's quite a little bit of wear on the stone here on this bridge as well. It's very cool. That may be Britain's oldest bridge. Which bridge are you going across now, Joe?
Clapper Bridge.
Come on then, let's give you a clap.
Are we clapping when we've crossed this one?
Just don't fall off, that's the main one. So that is Clapper Bridge. And we're starting to head back towards the car now. One final shot there. So we've just finished our little day out today and we're on the way home. So thanks for joining us. If you've enjoyed the video, please press the thumbs up button, it really helps our channel. And if you enjoyed it, we'd love it if you wanted to become one of our subscribers. Thanks a lot guys, see you again.
Bye-bye.
Bye.